Discipline is the new superpower. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline is what carries men through the seasons when life gets a little bit heavy, a little bit hard to deal with. So that's what I want to talk about today. So, point one, win the first hour of the day. How to start often determines how the rest of the day is going to go. Also, it determines on how you're going to finish. So here's some solutions to help you to work with that as you try to figure out what you need to do to go forward. One, make your bed in the morning. Real simple. Drink water. Move your body. Review the top 3 priorities that you have for today. The things that you want to get moving. And you want to do that on a regular basis. Point 2, keep promises to yourself. Confidence grows when you trust yourself. Start with small commitments. 10 minutes of exercise. Read one page of reading. One task to complete. Get that one task out the way, and then you can worry about the rest of it, but one thing at a time. And then consistency beats intensity. Be consistent. Be the person that you want to be, and be that person every day on a regular basis. Point 3, protect your time. Many men are busy, but not productive. So the solution for that is identify the one thing that moves your life forward. Do it before distraction takes over. Number 4, or point 4, excuse me. Build momentum, not perfection. Perfection is often procrastination wearing a suit. It truly is. You're not getting anywhere. So the solution is focus on showing up. All right, if you miss a day, restart. Okay, you missed a day, restart. That next day is the time that you can get it done. Or that next hour if it's available to you and you have the time to make it up right then and there. Shortfalls. You want to look at your shortfalls and adjust and then continue. You made a mistake. You forgot something. You didn't have a particular skill. Work on that. Continue forward and improve it so that you get better at that skill. All right. Rebuilding belongs to the men who keep going. If you keep going and you keep pushing, then you'll eventually reach your goal. But you won't reach it unless you do what you need to do. So in closing, discipline is the bridge between a man or between the man that you are today and the man that you will become. Build the bridge and walk it daily. That's really it in a nutshell. All right, so just remember that, guys, that at the end of the day, it's up to you. So if this message helps you, subscribe to Mr. Z Inspires and share it with other men who are rebuilding their lives one step at a time. And remember, it's never too late to become the man that you were meant to be. Take care, be well, and as always, have a great day.